Hi everyone, today I'm super excited to try out Overtone's Red for Brown Hair Coloring Conditioner. Overtone sent me this sample and I can't wait to see how it works on darker hair. If you're looking for a fun, vibrant color alternative that doesn't involve harsh chemicals, then stick around to see the final results at the end. All right, let's open it up, or at least try to. Maybe I'm a little too excited about this mask, but trust me, this is going to be worth it. Overtone's products are vegan, cruelty free, and come in sustainable packaging too. So let's give this a go. All right, let's open. Pause for a pro tip. You're going to need to grab some gloves before you start applying. Since those aren't included, definitely don't want red hands to match your hair. Overtone's formulas are curly hair friendly and free from harsh stuff like peroxide, ammonia, bleach, and parabens. So you're coloring and conditioning all in one. Of course it happened, but don't worry, it cleans off easily. Also, it has this really mild minty scent, nothing too overpowering, just fresh enough to enjoy, but you really don't smell it while it's on your hair at all. Now I'm applying it section by section. Overtone is a great alternative to hair dye. It deposits color while actually conditioning your hair. I generally go in with larger sections. Everybody does this differently. Y'all do what is best for you. I'll go in with larger little sections that I pick out of my hair. And then once I'm done, I just kind of give it a once over and make sure that I've gotten root to tip on all my strands. I know if you're watching this video for the duration, it seems to you like it's taking me forever, but honestly, application is super fast with this, much faster than any other box dye or anything like that I've used. And honey, I've tested them all. And voila! Hair is fully covered, and I'm rocking this red hair mohawk for a few seconds while it sets. Time to pile it on a bun and let it do its magic. While we wait the 10 to 15 minutes, I'm just going to clean it up a bit. If you're like me and drip a little around your ears or your neck, no worries. It will wipe off really easily. Just don't forget to set your timer. Advice, I find that a baby wipe, this is actually a dude wipe if I'm honest, works really great for getting what I end up with on the back of my neck or my back. It comes off super easy and it works really well, and you have that larger surface area. Honey, if that's not giving perfect fall hair, I don't know what is. I'm colored, I'm hydrated, I'm soft, I'm shiny, and I'm absolutely in love. If you're looking for an alternative to harsh dyes, hit that link in the description and get yours.